NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Begin by using the plastic shim tool or a sharp-pointed object to remove the 4 rubber caps on the back of your Magellan, revealing 4 screws. Remove the 4 screws using the tool provided in your kit from NewPower99.com. Carefully open your Magellan using the plastic shim tool provided in your kit. Gently remove the original battery. Disconnect the original battery. Place a strip of double-sided tape onto your new battery. Place your new battery from NewPower99.com into the battery compartment. Connect the new battery as shown. Gently snap the device shut. Replace the 4 screws. Replace the rubber caps. Turn on your Magellan with its newly installed battery from NewPower99.com. Your Magellan should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use.
NewPower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.